Your sis told me she pooped twice in the store.
Oh, I do.
Are we really this translucent? Hide your kids, we're gonna blind them. You're not in the best part of town, so if I video them doing it, we might get shot. Get these for free, they fall off our tree. Oh my god. You're gonna make 12-inch balls? Chug, 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 chug.
Maddie eats half the cheese and puts the other half on the pizza.
Honey, this is stuff that I do in private because if I did it on the internet, people would think I was really strange. I'm just kidding. I got conned. I was told we were going to Lush and woke up in the IKEA parking lot. Hedge. So we're walking to Parkville Days, which is really weird because we parked at my old college campus and it's really like weird to be walking around here and walking like the same route. That used to be a parking lot. Anyway, she's never been to Parkville Days, so we're gonna go check it out. And first we're gonna find food because we're starving. I think this is the first time I've ever worn jeans to Parkville Days. It's like what, 70 out? It's so nice. We really like it.
It's perfect weather.
It is, it's beautiful.
Overcast,
there's wind.
like partly cloudy.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
70.
Like we need to spend all day outside. Woo, rolling under. Hi, you're so pretty.
Look at the baby.
So excited. I know. Smile. So we just left Parkville Days and I don't know what we're doing now, but we're gonna come back tonight. But it's really nice out and the dog is exhausted. So I feel like we did a good job wearing the dog out. So now we're gonna go hike back to our car.
Hello. Okay, so we totally exhausted ourselves.
Well, hold up. First, I think I sugar crashed myself because I bought this huge ass thing of lemonade and then I had a smoothie when I got home and then I had more fruit with sugar on it and then I like slept for 4 hours.
At Parkville Days. No, we slept for 2 hours, but
I'm exhausted.
We had this whole plan of like doing a whole huge vlog today because the weather is actually decent. Like
it's gorgeous.
Partly cloudy and just like in the 70s.
Kind of windy. It's like just super nice.
Fall weather.
Yeah.
So anyways, we ended up taking a nap instead of filming a vlog.
And I'm like still half asleep.
So our idea for this night is I'm gonna take Maddie to her first Trader Joe's experience because she's never been before, and we're gonna cook a pizza tonight and have a movie night and just a wine and girls and pizza and movie and
kind of hang in.
cooking night. So you get to enjoy cooking with us tonight and our experience making a pizza together. So, because pizza, tacos, and what else is our favorite food?
Buffalo
Yours is
wings.
buffalo wings. Pizza, tacos, and buffalo wings.
I could eat buffalo wings for the rest of my life and be fine. But I also want to find raspberries because there's not one store up north that has raspberries right now.
They must not be in season.
But I just started liking them. I literally tried them to eat them alone for the first time the other day and I bought them every single day that I can find them.
They're delicious. I love raspberries too. She was on blueberries for a while. I like blueberries, but I like raspberries better.
Yeah, if you eat enough blueberries, this is a bad experience. I have PTSD from blueberry boxes.
It makes your bowels go whoop.
Oh my god, I was shitting out full blueberries for like weeks.
All right, well, we're on our way to Trader Joe's. We just left our house, so we'll update you once we get there. I can't talk today. Bye-bye.
So I made her stop at this Five Below because it's super fancy. I really just want her to walk inside and see it.
Look, there's our favorite restaurant.
Where? Oh, Firehouse Subs?
With a bird nest in the L.
I really like Firehouse Subs. Shoot, I even taken us the picture by the water when we were at the river. We got snacks.
Some cute pool twice.
I thought you said you pooped twice. Like,
I
yo,
said
what?
pool.
Grace just told me she pooped twice in the store.
Oh, I did.
She's checking out. She goes, I pooped twice.
I said those are cool pool toys. Maddie
my
just
God.
isn't awake.
Why are we so white?
Because
Oh my God, are we really this translucent? Hide your kids, we're gonna blind them. Oh.
we blended in a wall. Apparently we lost all our tan.
Okay, we're gonna do a reveal on what we bought.
Tuna water bottle.
On the step.
Dose water bottle.
These people next to us in the car TikToking. Oh my God,
cookies.
these are so good.
2 cookies. She's got us addicted.
I get Grace addicted to like
Oh my
things all
God.
the time.
They're like dancing.
Yeah, these two girls are like hardcore like. And for you're not in the best part of town, so if I video them doing it, we might get shot. Alright, now we're going to Trader Joe's.
Bye.
We're at Walmart.
No, we're at Trader Joe's.
Just kidding.
Here.
Huh?
They sell the best flowers here. So stuff.
Okay, up here. I discovered these the other day. We can get these for free. They fall off our tree.
Oh my God. They do.
Like, what? This is so gross. Yeah.
Are you gonna cook it?
What's that?
Garlic and herb pizza dough.
Pizza sauce?
Yeah.
I've legit found what heaven is like. I didn't know
It's really good.
this place existed, and I thought it was super expensive, but we're coming back on Friday. We should just let the record stand. We are back in the animal aisle. After time. Yeah. I can't wait for Nashville. No, but I'm still eating.
Successful Trader Joe's run.
It was.
We got a good amount of food.
I've never
for the
been
week
there. I'm
for
going back
under
on Friday.
$100.
Yeah, she got a whole thing of food.
For under $100. So
Doesn't matter. Oh,
You
I got
squirted.
squirted.
Yeah, we're excited. We got our stuff to make pizza. We got pizza dough, cheese, and then pepperonis.
We're gonna have a little date night. She even got wine. And we don't drink, so that's when you know
Yeah.
it's special.
We got some little Greek yogurt bars if we want dessert, but we kind of just ate cookies.
My
So.
fat ass's arm is getting tired and I'm like holding it up.
You're mad at me when I say my arm hurts. You've been holding it for like a minute. All right, brings us back to when we went to California. We
She's
bought
obsessed with this. She wants me
cauliflower
to text Brennan and be
pizza.
like, Brennan, we got cauliflower pizza.
Because
it's
we-
like California. I'm like, bitch, they eat it all the time.
Well, we when we went to Trader Joe's, we got like stuff to make pancakes and syrup, and we remember that first morning she cooked like a whole breakfast for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we woke up and breakfast was already cooked. Thanks, B.
Okay, we're on our way home. Bye. Oh, I tried to pickle.
Roll into preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
I'm about to meet the grumpiest person in the world.
Whatever.
There she is.
I'm not the grumpiest person in the world. Okay.
You're laughing now.
I need a
Look this.
remove dough.
We're gonna put in the
package.
wine.
Flour work surface liberally.
You're gonna make 12-inch balls?
No, like you put it into a giant circle.
Okay.
Okay, so we need flour and we need a surface to work on. So get the. You kidding me? Alright.
Here you go. Chug, 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 chug. She'll get me back.
Roll it.
Nothing hotter than your girlfriend making pizza.
This pizza dough is amazing.
So tell them your steps.
So I'm supposed to make this into a 12-inch diameter circle.
I know it's about 6. Based on previous experiments.
So I'm not going to throw it up in the air because that probably would not yield good results. So we got our circle.
Have you ever seen Lady and the Tramp?
You can give me pepperoni. She cheated.
Grace would like to show you that she smashed the pizza.
Step 1, pizza dough is ready. Perfect. Okay, step 2, pizza sauce.
Eat it. Just kidding. Pizza sauce.
Okay.
Look cool.
Appropriate. Alright, next step.
Next step.
Maddie eats half the cheese and puts the other half on the pizza. We put some little garlic stuff on it too. We're garlic eaters.
We love garlic.
And doggies love garlic too.
Nice. I'm not putting them in there. You're just making more work for me. She made a salad and pizza, and she has wine.
Date night.
You're so good. We got our cute little pajamas on. It was actually her idea. The pizza's so good.
Wine and pajamas.
It's so good.
And we're gonna watch movies as soon as we're done eating, but we didn't want to eat downstairs with the dogs because they'll be all on our face.
Yep. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. And we're back.
Rain.
And it's raining. We slept till like 10:30. So now we're just running errands. Nothing fun. Going to Walmart. I got by Mopsy wet food. I was gonna mow, but I guess that's not happening.
I told you it was supposed to rain.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go.
You filming me driving?
Yeah.
I'm sure people want to see that.
Close up. It's. Grace is a new theme song. Please sing it. Please go. Go ahead, sing your theme song.
No. Honey, this is stuff that I do in private because if I did it on the internet, people would think I was really strange. Okay?
And I live with it.
So you get to experience it. And if I put it on the internet, people are going to think you're going to marry a weirdo.
Did you just admit I'm gonna marry a weirdo?
Yes.
Great. So sing Go Speed Racer.
Go speed racer. Go speed racer.
Cars are chasing her.
I beat them. Just finish line. Just the stoplight. Okay, are you done now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Stop. What?
You want what?
Some mums.
Why?
Because they're fall flowers and it's almost fall and I like those purple thingies. My mom gets those purple thingies. We need another hanging basket because ours is dead. I wonder how much they are. $11? Fuck that shit. I'll just steal it.
Grace, I have that on camera.
I'm just kidding. See, this is why you can't videotape. We're in the car because Grace spits random shit out of her mouth.
My
and she
God.
doesn't mean. Oh boy.
Okay, I got the thief. Let's go. I probably shouldn't say that too loud. Hey, you need some Band-Aids?
No, but you need smiley pose in your crying.
The other day I found, what's that stuff you stick in your butt?
What?
and it makes everything come out.
Accident?
No, like the tube. Oh my god, what is that called? When you do a cleanse and everything comes
Enema?
out? Yeah, they sell enemas here now. Would you like an enema?
Yeah, they should. Sweet cute.
Because college kids don't have king size. Tap it out.
Great Emma or Bella. Come here.
I got conned. I was told we were going to Lush and woke up in the IKEA parking lot.
Hurry up, bitch, you're going shopping.
We don't need anything from here. I need coffee.
We need bowls because Maddie likes to throw all Grace's bowls in the trash because she doesn't like to clean dishes.
Grace also could have just gotten them at Walmart when we were there 10 minutes ago.
Grace doesn't like Walmart
I feel like I got
specifically
legitimately kidnapped.
Like,
Like,
IKEA bowls.
you told me we were going to Lush.
We
I
are
woke up and
after
we're at
this.
IKEA.
After this, we are.
Oh my god. Hedge.
IKEA.
It's freezing. I don't want to be here. I want food. I actually just want coffee.
Get some meatballs. Sound like talking to someone here, maybe on PlayStations.
I, Grace, kidnapped Maddie.
Hi, Grace. Did not kidnap.
Come here. Be careful, because I'm gonna bite you.
Wow.
I'm a bite.
Wow. Bop.
Came for plates.
Bop.
It's a penguin. I guess it's a panda.
There you go.
What are you doing?
We need one of these. She decided to get rid of them.
I didn't get rid of shit.
We don't have one of these.
Why do we need that? We have a ton of tools.
Whatever. If you don't have any tools, I'm coming here next time.
Wait, show me how fancy these carts are.
Be able to spend my
From
evening
far
with
away,
you.
I thought that was weed plants.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get like 5.
Let's see.
Yes, let's get pink.
Pink,
Pink.
blue,
Pink.
green, teal.
Ooh, I like those. Let's get pink.
Blue.
Pink. You get pink and I'll get black on Friday. She got her plates, we can go. Time to go home. Update, we're never getting out of here because Grace can't stop touching things.
Whatever. I like stuff.
Yeah, but we're on a time crunch.
That's your fault.
Oh my god, I have to work. Alright, stop.
Is it this
Collaborate and listen. Ass is back with a brand new addiction. Something grabs a hold of me. Something blows like a harpoon daily and night. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. To the rise, and I'll go to the extreme, or like a Michael Van or like a chins to the candle.
We don't need a rug, do we?
Speak of that. Boom. I just wrapped all of Ice Ice Baby, and she could not have been any less impressed. Stop pushing me. Guys, this is why. We're in the dog
Should I get Bowie
section.
a mini Bowie?
We're in the dog section. And we're done.
And we're done.
Mission accomplished. Oh. Look back here, you dork. She got her plates. Watch out, there's a pole. That butt.
Have a nice
I'm zoomed in on it.
fantastic. If I get to see my nice booty.
Alright, we're peacing out. Like, subscribe,